if needed, do a sprint level before doing this. Hey guys, we are on here real driving school. So I basically made this livery not too long ago, like the gx2 in Rush. So I'm gonna show you how to make that with this example. So this is gonna be the example. So first what you're gonna do is watch an ad if you only have like 1 coin. I'm gonna cut this part though because, you know. Okay, we're back after the ad. Alright, now time to show you this is gonna be my brother's car for right now. This is just gonna be the example. So what you're gonna do is press this button. Once it activates, you can put the same color as the car, like match the color. Try your best to match the color, then make it darker. After that, all you need to do is make the metal front bumper like the gx2. Because the gx2, yeah. Okay, we're gonna make it go up a little bit. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Okay. Then there's that, and then we gotta negotiate it down for a little bit. Okay, boom, cover that, and okay, I can't do that. I have to position it there, and boom. Now we did that part. Now we gotta work on this part. It's not gonna take too long. We just need red. Position it somewhere where it can reach the fender. It has to reach the fender exactly it has to reach about right here. So you're gonna keep it like that. You're gonna do that. Boom. Then you're gonna do the same exact thing again. And then put it equip. Then you're gonna go to the side of the car, make it gray, just like the back of the gx2. Actually, I don't think I should have did the thing first. And we're gonna go like that. Boom. Do the same thing in the back. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Now we're gonna cover this bit up real quick. It might take a while though. We already spent how much? I don't know how much I spent, but I know I spent a little bit though. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, there we go. Boom. Okay, that's equipped. Now we gotta do the exact same thing again for this. Boom. Okay. Now, make it the same color as the body. To take any of the bits off that you do not want. For example, we're gonna cut this. We're gonna cut this piece. Boom. And then cover it up fully. Somehow. Okay, boom. Do that. Boom. Boom. Now we finished that part. Now we're gonna do the little squares that are on the gx2. And yes, it's on there. Put that on there, clone it, just like that. Clone again, change the color, minimize it. So what you're gonna do is put 3 of them right here on the left side. Then 1 on the other side. Boom. And then next, you're gonna do a couple things for the back. And just a couple, it's not gonna take long. We're gonna do a similarity test to see if there's anything missing. Actually, there is one thing that I'm missing. Sorry about that. That was my brother. So we're gonna make 2 little squares. Put them together. Boom. Change it into a triangle. Make it the rotation like this. I'll turn them a little bit if needed. And then you're gonna, I can't do it. Oh, kind of like that. Place it like that, and then place it like that. Then you got 2 little eyes. Now we gotta do the black roof, right? This is gonna cost a while. I'm sorry if you hear background noise. Like that. And then you're gonna make another square. X, boom, boom. I'm sorry, that's on the side mirror. We're gonna make them like this. This is how big they should be. Make them thicker if needed. Boom. 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 And then this is the last one. Which all you have to do is rotate it just a little bit and boom. And there you go. You now have the GX2 from Rush 2049. Let's show the similarities. The front looks exactly the same. The side, we missed out on one thing. We almost forgot this. Boom. 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 And there we go. Now the back, it looks pretty good. Now the other side looks pretty good. And there you go. That costed all my money, $35,000. And there you go. That's how you do it. Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
Thank you for the feedback. And that is how to make the GX2 from Rush 2049 and RDS with the GT86. Have a good day.